I love urban birding, and one of the main things I love about it, over and above the fact that I can watch birds in an urban environment, is the fact that it's a chance to actually disconnect. And I know it sounds weird because you're in the middle of a city, there's dogs barking and police sirens and people shouting and general city hubbub. But it is really a chance to disconnect. You just sit on a bench and you filter out all of those sounds, all of those bits of life that you are around all the time. And after a while, you discover that you are on nature's wavelength. You can start hearing birds calling that you may not have heard previously. And things start to slow down, and nature starts to reveal itself. It's one of those special moments that anyone can achieve anywhere, even in the middle of a concrete jungle.